Yeah. Cuba did. Excel City, who owns the mic? Cuba owns the mic.
Cock it up. Okay, while I don't always scared to I go by the name of La own usual. I thought I told me bad pass. Hey, keep your stove, bros. All I know is I'm a sport. If you like be the tallest alive, man, life is short. Mama thought they paying them like picking we lost big money. Life is funny like when Mr. Ibu sing for me. I learn more in the street more than when I go school. If Buhari open in your school, man, that's an old school. I don't need the cool girl, cause me say her eyes die. Congrats on no rain again, that one know me say nice die. You know like me bros, you feel go kill yourself. Shebi you be Jerry Can, okay go dey free yourself. The truth is bitter, I know me say I no go lie. I do my things on the low, know me say I no go high. Find out man, hand out no be textbook. Girls be like I'm on my period, no my excuse. I dey cross border, you dey cross road. Rapping 1, 2, 3, 4 yeah, fuck it, that's my course code.
Cuba, first of all. Okay, first of all, I say. First of all, Alawo, your name just sound like a shower. But you a kid, I know if you did for your parole. Or because of rap battle, boy, you want to sell your soul. Inshallah, I swear to God, boy, you know if you see my toe. I know they told you not to beat me, but you tell them yes. Saying that you do more when you niggas sucking breast. Telling you niggas for your hood that you better than the rest. Then you only think you better than no reach from east to west. I'm selling a tested, I be weed that you're capping. I know be cheap boy, a boy, bring beef and we chopping. And this na Cuba, day. I know if you run, rather than I swear to stay. And this be me. I spit the fire through your eyes and bone marrow. I swear to God, my nigga with the snoot. Cuba, like how many minutes remain? Make a day light.
La. Hey, it's a freestyle. Like Baba, where you go back, say you no get money, make you bab you, that's a freestyle. If you no understand, then you standing under. Yes, it's this style. I'm too raw. I kill beats when I suck your bitch breast, man. I use straw. Hey God, now only God fit to help me, but I still there on a low, but wait, now only God fit to step me. My nigga talking, where you talking, why you talking about? You talking about, now me be rapper, wait there you talk about. Better stop all these things that you saying. Give me the beat 2 seconds and you know that I'm slaying, man. The bars too long. I see I buy packets. When I dey come around, I stay high like rockets. Shock them like who touch sockets. Hey, I'm from electricity. Everybody making it here. Excel City. Oh Lord, he choke. You know, she say he don't hang. I just the freestyle for the beat and I guess say he dey bang. Fuck it.
Yeah. Upcomings for Maraba won the race shoulder. She made her slap you with your earring, make it proper. I swear, we go spook. I swear, we go. Okay, nigga, and you can tell them we're the #1. That was the intro. Oh God, let me do my turn. Like, you see all these niggas where they talk much. I swear, oh God, me calm down. Now we the top notch. Today fresh land, tomorrow Jimmy land. Hot plus. Oga waiting this up, sure you know they see that one place. You better hustle, press your phone, make you get that bass. They be the realest. We know the brown hair, we keep it black. Cause I'm black. You see my skin so black, like you see my shades, everything so black. And my diamond black earrings black.
Bros, me, I no one comes to diss you. Cause if I diss you, I swear your girlfriend go miss you. I go scatter you when she see you, she go say it's this you. Oh no, you go tell her say bros now like oh this me man, this me, there's no another. I'm killing these shits from Abuja, they hear them for Yanoba, that's Lagos, I'm getting famous, they done the Amos. I want to hammer, they want nail loss. Hey God, he choke, I swear he did for mouse. Now my matter, now in they put for signboard for the roundabout. Ask about, now me they clear their doubt. At the high Hennessy baller, I swear no be stout. I don't know about you, you're a rapper, I doubt you. When I come around, yes, I the kid the battle. Yes, You be like my animal, tattoo. I dey do anything, rap in my body tattoo. Fuck it.
Yeah. Okay. You don't know about me, you be rapper, I like you. Oga, fuck your skin, I know you no get tattoo. Like, hey, and these niggas bringing it back. They want to unleash the beast in me, my niggas see my pack. Like, yo nigga man, I know you from the streets. Like, and if you fuck me up, I swear I don't defeat. Like, I know say if you fuck me up for this rap battle, your girlfriend self go still want me, my nigga, she like my tattoo. I can just take my shirts off and show it to you. I never copy you on your goons, I swear I'm not a fool. Hey, don't take it so personal, my nigga. Shane a Burna Boy cap with the rain since 210. Now you the rock, they come rap battle when at 2021. Or got me tell me what the fuck is happening, do your thing.
Fuck that shit, man. We die here. Me and you, I swear, we die here. But the difference is that I die here, you die here. I keep this beats anyhow. I don't care. I go cook Cuba. Man, I get take here. Show me the way, show me the way. I go show you take here. Oh Lord. Hotline blink, I be Drake here. And I'm spitting any bars, I swear, I don't care. It's in the system. In the gene, he did the gene, I the Q. Hennessy different from Halogene, no go try am. I'm sexy with money, no the gym. I do what I want to do. Rap in my body like disease, you can't resist, tell me.